Hey, this is Greg from D&D Bikes. I'm one of the ambassadors here, and I just want to do a quick video to show you how to change your pedals. Now, this is normally a really simple job, but some people don't know that pedals are actually threaded different from the left and the right. Now, one is right, one is backward. I couldn't tell you which one is which, but I'm going to show you a really quick trick that I use to remember which one goes which way. If you want to take your pedal off the bike, put your Allen key in, and you want to rotate it back toward the back wheel. Now, if it's loose enough, you can just pull it and it'll go. This is loosened. If it gets too tight, turn it 90 degrees, push down toward the ground. To loosen both pedals, you're always going to be pulling back toward the rear wheel. Then, to tighten the both pedals, you're going to be pushing toward the front wheel that way. Now, so I'll loosen this all the way out. You want to also make sure that you put grease on these threads when you're putting it in here, especially if you're leaving your pedals in for a long time. You don't want to have those things rust in here, and this is a really good place for these to rust. So in putting it back, make sure you line it up straight. Don't want it to cross thread. We're going to be rotating the Allen key toward the front tire. Now, this should go in nice and easy. If it starts going in tough and you can't turn it, that means you're cross starting. Back out, and try it again. But this should go in nice and easy, nice and smooth. Now, if you have some dirt in there, it might be a little gristly, but don't worry about that. Get it to where you want it. And again, pushing toward the front tire to tighten that pedal up. All right, now I'm going to show you the other one. Got the right side pedal. This is now the rear wheel. This is now the front wheel. To loosen, you're going to be turning back toward the rear wheel. Put your Allen key in, push down toward the ground, and now you're rotating back toward the back wheel. Pull the pedal out. Then again, to tighten, we're going to be moving the Allen key toward the front wheel. Everything should be smooth. Then to finally tighten, push down toward the ground, toward the front wheel. So that's it. Hopefully that helps you out at some point. If you have any questions, definitely give the shop a call. I'm Greg with D&D Bikes. See you on the trails.